Is PayTime.Top scam? Hey there and welcome to my review of PayTime.Top. Would you like to earn money just by completing tasks online? How would you feel if they give you $10 just for signing up? Well, PayTime.Top is one such get paid to site that will give you $10 just for signing up to their platform. So is PayTime.Top a scam? Though it sounds very exciting, there are a few things that you need to know, and today I'm going to give you a lowdown of this Get Paid To website so that it can make your decision easier. So let's get started. My name is Rupesh, and if it's your first time checking out my channel, warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm the owner of the website passiveincomeforall.com, and that along with this channel is to help you to earn passive income online. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to get the latest news and the best ways to making money online. What is PayTime.Top all about? Basically, it's a get paid to site. So that means that you get paid for doing certain tasks. And when you initially sign up, they give you $10 for signing up. And to make it more enticing, they give you a 50 cents bonus for signing on a daily basis. So let's take a look at the kind of tasks that are within the members area and how much you get paid for doing these tasks. The members area of PayTime.Top is fairly straightforward. As you can see, it's just got these few icons on the top, and this is how much I've earned thus far. That's the dashboard. There are basically 5 ways in which you can earn with PayTime.Top. The 5 ways in which you can earn is by downloading apps and survey tasks, then to invite friends, so they have a referral program. You can promote banners, then you can promote apps as well as movies. So I'll go through each of them briefly. Okay, so the first section talks about downloading apps, or you can do survey tasks. Now, I never have much luck in doing the survey task, and I guess it's because of the geographical area in which I was staying in. So it all depends on the client's needs. So maybe if you're in a better area, you might get more survey tasks than me. But when it comes to the downloading of the apps, that was also a task that I wasn't too keen on doing. And the main reason why is, to me, it seemed that they needed my telephone number. And the thing is, from that point onwards, it looks like it was an ongoing subscription service, and I personally did not want my phone bill to run sky high. Let's talk about the referral program. As a free member, they give you a referral link, and this link you can use to invite friends to the platform. And for every person that signs up, you get paid $1 per valid referral. Okay, so the third way in which you can earn what PayTime.Top is via promoting banners. Now, there is a guide within the platform that teaches you on how to promote these banners. Basically, what you have to do is you have to use Facebook social media platform, and you have to join groups within the Make Money Online niche. And what you have to do is, when you join these groups, then you can choose one of these banners and you promote them in these groups. And the purpose of these banners is to get people to sign up from here to the platform back into PayTime.Top. Now, the thing what I wasn't too keen about here is, if you had to take a look at one of these banners, let me show you this banner here, for instance. It says, get paid for testing apps. And here it's showing you that you get paid so much. Now, I wasn't too comfortable about promoting these banners because I find it's misleading and it's very untruthful. And let me show you another one. Take a look at this one here. You receive 23.35. Now, can you imagine if you are promoting this from your Facebook page, you are promoting and telling somebody that you have earned this kind of money, and I think it's not right. Let's look at the 4th way in which you can earn money with PayTime.Top. To explain this 4th way, I'm going to take you to my website, passiveincomeforall.com. This is where I wrote the article, and let me talk about that section here to promote apps. For every successful app that one of your referrals download, you will get paid a certain fee. So should your referral reside with one of their top country recommendations, which in their case is the USA, UK, or Europe, then you get paid $2.50 per download. And if it's from any of the other countries, then you'll get paid $1.50 per download. And to be really honest with you, people can download these apps directly from Google Play if they wanted the app. So let's look at now the final way in which you can earn, which is by promoting movies. And movies works very similar to promoting the apps. Here you are using a link to a site and you get paid $15 per sign up. But the thing is, here the person has to register with PayTime.Top streaming service or open up a subscription for you to get paid that $15 commission. So let's talk now about the pros and cons of PayTime.Top. The pros is that it's free to join and the tasks are very simple to do. The cons, on the other hand, the first con is that there's no real owner or founder. There's no testimonials or real proof that someone has in fact earned with PayTime.Top. The support, there is no support or help in this platform. Let me just do this here. And what I've done is I've contacted their support system and I wrote to them, "Hi there, I would just like to know if you perhaps have any records or proof to verify that people have indeed made money using PayTime.Top." And I said, "Sorry for asking, it's just that I'm someone who likes to see that it works for others first before I get involved." And this was the email that I sent to them a while ago, and till today I still haven't received a reply from PayTime.Top. So if I do get a reply, I'll certainly update this video. And then the last con of PayTime.Top is that it's not a passive income opportunity. So you have to consistently do this kind of task in order to earn, and there's no guarantee also that you will get paid, but it's an active thing that you have to keep doing. It's not where you can do the job once off and you'll get paid on an ongoing basis. Right. Is PayTime.Top a scam? Well, you've seen that the support is not good and that there's no proof of earning. So I would definitely advise you to be very careful. The possibility exists that you can sign up, you might end up wasting your precious time in doing this task, and at the end of the day, if they don't pay you, you're going to be feeling frustrated and disappointed. And the way I see it is the owners do tend to gain more here from you, and the reason why I'm saying that is they're going to be building a very valuable email list, and you know they always say that money is on the list. They could sell this list to other people, or they could cross-promote to you in the future. So where does this leave you, and what do you do from this point onwards? Let me help you to decide. Let me ask you these questions. Why limit yourself to promoting apps or movies when you can make serious money online? What do I mean by this? Did you know that there are thousands of products from which you can earn commissions? You just got to take a look at a site like Amazon.com and you can see the millions of products. Did you also know that you can build a business based on any subject or topic that you are passionate about? Even if it's a hobby that you are interested in, there's a big chance that somebody else has a similar interest or has a hobby just like yours. So what happens here is you have a passion, you've got products, and this together is a formula to start your own online business. So what sort of business am I talking about? I'm talking about affiliate marketing, and the great part about this sort of business model is that you do not need any experience to get started. You can work in your own free time. You are building an asset and it's going to offer you a passive income potential as time goes on. So give yourself the opportunity to build a business that you can be proud of. So that concludes my review of PayTime.Top. If you would like more information on how to get started with building your own passive income business, please click on the link in the video description below, and I'll be happy to tell you more. Once again, if you like this video, then please go ahead and hit the button, the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to checking you out in my next video. All the best to you, and take care. Goodbye.